Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is proportion. This is also a topic of O levels. Proportion, you can say that variation. Proportion, if you say that proportion, or you can say that variation. These two are the same things. Um, in this proportion, we will read direct and indirect proportion, or indirect proportion we also called inverse proportion. Inverse variation, direct variation. What is direct and inverse variation? When we have two variables, for example, x and y, if they are behaving like same, for example, if x is increases, y will also be increases. That means they have direct relationship with each other. So this is called direct proportion or direct variation. And if x is increases, on the same hand, y will decrease. This is called inverse proportion, inverse proportion or inverse variation. Okay, for example, for direct variation, I have an example like summer season and ice cream sale. If summer season increases, the sale of ice cream will also be increases. So they both have direct relationship with each other. Now come to an question. For example, if we do 8.3a, question number 2, y is directly proportional to t. So y is directly proportional to t. This is the sign of proportion. When we convert this sign of proportion into equal, we need to introduce the proportionality constant k here, and t will remain at its own place. So further, if we read the question, if y is 6 and t is 4, first we need to find the value of the proportionality constant here. Y is 6 and t is 4. 6 over 4 equals k. That means 3 over 2 is the final value of k. So put the value of k in the original equation we made. So y is equals to 3 over 2t. Now this is equation number 1. After getting this equation, by putting the value of proportionality constant, we get the final equation for doing part A and B of the question. Now we'll read part A, which is the value of y when t is 6. Part A is value of y we need to find when t is 6. So 2 and 6 will cut with each other. We will get the answer 9. Okay, now further, part B is we'll use the same equation, y is equals to 3 over 2t. What they are saying now, the value of t we need to find when y is 4. So put y equals 4 here, 3 by 2. T, 2 will multiply with 4, it will become 8 over 3 equals t. So the value of t is 8 by 3 and the value of y is 9 here. I hope you understand the direct proportion questions now. If I do further one or two questions for you, that will be looks like, if we do question number 4. Question number 4 is A is directly proportional to R square. So first we need to find, as I told you, that the value of proportionality constant, right? So A is 12, R is 2. 12 and R is 2. So 12 equals 4k. So the value of k become 3. 12 over 4 means 3. Now put the value of k in the original equation, which is a is equals to kr square. That means 3r square. Now this is your equation number 1. You will use this equation 1 for further solving part A and B. So part A is the value of a you need to find when r is equals to 5. A is equals to 3 bracket 5 square. That means a is equals to 3 times 25. That means a is equals to 75 here. Now part B is you need to find the value of r when a is 48. Write the original equation here. A is equals to 3r square. A is 48 and r you need to find here, which is r square. But we need to find the value of r, not r square. 48 over 3. R square 16. 3 1 the 3, 3 8 the 16. Yeah, 3 6 are 18, sorry. R square. Now we need to take the square root on both sides to get the value of r, which will be 4. So the answer for r is 4 and the answer for a is 75. I hope you get the concept for question number 4 as well. After doing these questions, we can solve question number 7 now. Question number 7, I am solving question number 7 part, the last part of question number 7 for you. In the first part, you can see that they both have h and w value. For these two values, with the help of these two values, we will find the value of proportionality constant. If I change the color a little bit, so w is directly proportional to the square root of h. So w is equals to k square root h. So use these two values, 4 and 6. H is 4 and w is 6. K back square root 4. So square root 4 is 2. As you know that 6 divided by 2 is equals to k. That means the value of k is 3 here. Now put the value of k into the original equation, which will be w is equals to 3 square root h. Now this is your final equation for solving part A and B. If I highlight this equation like this, or you can say that equation number 1 also. Now I'm going to solve the last part for you. We'll use the same equation. W is equals to 3 times square root h. The h value is 2 whole 1 over 4. That means 2.25. You can also say that. And if I convert this whole into improper fraction, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so w is equals to 3 square root 9 over 4. So w is equals to 3 bracket 3 over 2. That means w is equals to 9 over 2. That means w is equals to 4.5 is your final answer. You can write this answer into mixed fraction, or you can write the answer into decimal form as you wish. Because this is a calculator exercise, so you can also use the calculator while solving these questions. I hope you get the concept of direct proportion. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.